All right, so this is a bit of a classic question in probability, and it relates to the idea of complementary events. Suppose that I plant n seeds, and each seed has a 50% chance of sprouting into a plant. However, I demand a 99% chance of at least one sprout, right? So I don't care if there's two or three or more, I just want at least one. What's the n? How big should n be if I wish to ensure that to ensure there's 99% chance of at least one sprout? So to answer this problem, we've got to look at the probability of no sprouts. So we'll assume that these seeds are all independent, like one sprouting or one not sprouting is the same, as any other sprouting. So they don't influence each other. They have a 50% chance of not sprouting, right? It's a 50-50 chance. So if there's no sprouts, n seeds, the probability of that is 0.5 times 0.5 times blah, 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 n times. That's 0.5 to the power of n for no sprouts in n seeds. P at least 1 n seeds. Well, that's 1 minus no sprouts. Which we've just computed. That's equal to 1 minus 0.5 to the power of n. Now, I demand that this 1 minus 0.5 to the power of n is at least 0.11. Yeah, so this the probability of this must be at 99, 0.99. So the probability of no sprouts is obviously 0.01. So we end up with an expression 0.5 equal to 0.5 to the power of n is equal to 0.1. That's like our boundary, if you like, right? This is going to find n, and then we're going to have to, the n is going to be a real number here, right? And then we're going to have to round either up or down to make sure that we satisfy the 99% chance. I guess this should say at least. .99% chance. So we use our log laws to rearrange this. So this number, if you stick it in your calculator, works out to be 6.643, blah, blah, blah. All right. So do we need 6 seeds or do we need 7? You can either trace the inequalities back. It's going to be 7, or you can just try it in this expression here. So you go 1 minus 0.5 to the power of 7. That's equal to 0.9921,875. Whereas if it's only to the power 6, you're just under, right? It's 98.4375. Okay. So I've got to plant 7 seeds if I want at least a 99% chance that one of them's going to sprout.